Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have with us Vivo V7 Plus, which will be the company's latest flagship device. And in this video we're going to do the unboxing and show you all the contents that you get in the retail package. This is not a review video, this is just an unboxing and hands-on video. So we will be talking about its box contents and about its features. So as you can see, it comes with this 24 megapixel clearer selfie camera, and the design looks like it has this bezel-less display. Then you get a clear shot, clear moment, some other information mentioned over here, and this is the SAR value. If you want to see, it's 1.180 and 0.727 for head and body respectively. The MRP mentioned is 21,990, so you can expect it around 20,000. Maybe they'll price it at 19,999. So let's unbox it and let's see what all contents you get in the box, and then we will be talking about its features. So there we go. This is the Vivo V7 Plus smartphone. Let me just take it out. And it has this metal construction with Vivo branding over here. We will be showing you the display and everything in a minute, but it seems like there is a screen protector already applied on the display. This was just a protective film or a screen protector. If it was a screen protector, we accidentally took it out. So let's check the other contents present in the box. Here you get a SIM ejector pin, and here you can see it comes with this dedicated slot. It seems a micro SD card slot and 2 SIM card slots, so that will be a good thing. Then you have Vivo 1716, which is the model number, quick start guide, and some product information, a clear case as well. This is the charging adapter, and here you can see it has an output rating of 2 amp at 5 volts. A standard USB to micro USB data cable. It comes with this micro USB port on the bottom side, and finally earphones, which look like standard earphones, nothing fancy. So these are the contents that you will get if you order Vivo V7 Plus smartphone. So this is the Vivo V7 Plus smartphone. Talking first about the design and build quality, the smartphone looks really beautiful. In the front you get this full view display which looks really nice. Now this is an 18:9 display and it is almost bezel-less, and this is not a touch panel, this is the part of display, this area, the touch bar area. So the display looks really good on this smartphone. You get this 16 megapixel back shooter with LED flash on the back along with a fingerprint sensor, as you can see. Then you have this Vivo branding. On the right side you have volume rocker and power key. On the top you don't have any ports or buttons, and on the bottom side you have a micro USB port along with speaker outlet and a 3.5mm audio jack. The in-hand feel of the device is really nice. It does not feel very heavy, and even though it comes with this 5.99 inch, which is nearly a 6-inch display, it does not feel really big in hand. To give you an idea, this is a 5.5 inch smartphone, this is a 6-inch smartphone, so the display size is big, but the overall dimensions is not really big and it's not very heavy to hold. Now let's talk about the display. So the display is big. The display is this nearly bezel-less display, but this is a 720p display. The resolution is 720 into 1440 pixels, and this could have been better. We have seen devices like LG Q6 which offers you a higher resolution display. Again, this is available for offline market, but if a full HD display was there, it could have been a much better deal for the users. Now let's talk about the hardware and the software part. The phone is being powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor, and it scores around 59,000 plus in the N22 benchmark. And here are the detailed specifications. It is running on Android 7.1.2, which is the latest Android version out of the box, along with some modifications or custom UI by the company. It has Adreno 506 GPU in it, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and here are the list of sensors. So you get all the major sensors like accelerometer, gravity sensors, gyroscope. Then you have light sensor as well, magnetic field sensor, proximity, step counter, step detector, significant motion, etc. So you have all the major sensors, and Snapdragon 450 is a capable processor. It can handle day-to-day applications and even heavy multitasking without any issues. As far as the gaming is concerned, we believe the device will be able to handle games like Asphalt 8 and Modern Combat 5 without any issues. But again, we will be doing those tests later on. But finally, a lot of users were asking that Vivo should come up with a Snapdragon device. This is their Snapdragon 450 smartphone, has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Now coming to the main highlight of the phone, the camera. The phone comes with this 24 megapixel front facing camera with moonlight flash as well, and a 16 megapixel back camera. So this is how the camera interface looks like. You do have various modes like PPT, Professional, Ultra HD, etc. But there's an interesting stuff as well. You do get this live photo option, which we have seen in iPhone. So you can capture live videos as well. Then you have panorama, face beauty, etc. In terms of front camera, as you can see, you again have the live photo option, which is a really good thing. So here are some sample images captured using the front and the back camera. So you can see the back camera works really nice. But again, this is a live photo captured using the front camera. The front camera is one of the best cameras we have seen in the market. The back camera is good, but nowadays a lot of companies are providing a dual back camera. So again, this is just a single camera on the back, so it could have been better if there was a depth sensor or a telephoto lens or a wide angle lens on the back side to give you those blur effects, etc. So let me just show you a few more samples. So as you can see, the front camera also supports group selfie option, where it captures multiple images and stitches them together, and you can see how good this image is. So the cameras are good on this smartphone. The front camera is really well. It works well in normal light, low light scenarios and captures good quality selfies. The back camera is good, but considering the competition these days, it could have been better if there was a dual camera which offers you more details, like if there was an RGB plus monochrome or telephoto lens or wide angle something. Now let's talk about other features. The fingerprint sensor on the smartphone works well without any issues. You do get a 3225 mAh battery, which should give you a battery life of 1 day with moderate to heavy usage. For heavy users, it might not last for an entire day due to a 6-inch display size, but we will be testing that out very soon. The phone will be available for around 20,000 Indian rupees. At this price point, it seems to be a decent offering from the company, but it still lacks some features like a better display resolution is not there. The back camera could have been better, but the company have improved certain things. The design looks really nice now. You do get a 6-inch full view display here, Snapdragon 450 processor, 3200 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor and a 24 megapixel front camera. So if you're someone who needs a camera and a big display to enjoy a lot of multimedia content on, then this can be a good option. But if you're looking at performance oriented smartphone, then you do have other options available in the market. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos and we will be uploading the detailed review very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.